guys, it's your girl Lay. Welcome back to my channel. It is now February. Do you know what that means? It means January is over. So that means I can have chocolate. So good. So guys, I know that I promised you an update on my give up and try challenge. So I'm going to tell you, with the whole month of giving up chocolate and trying to walk my dog regularly, which by the way still kind of didn't really work out. It's cold, okay? But I have still managed to lose a whole kilo. Woohoo! It doesn't seem like a lot though, because 250 grams a week could be better, but I'm still happy with that, and it is, you know, closer to reaching my goal. And just to let you know, this month, February, I am giving up cheese, which I've already found quite difficult, but I'm doing well, and decided to do Just Dance on the Wii, like at least 4 times a week, so we'll see how that goes. It is pretty exhausting, and I do the, what's it called, Just Sweat. So I always set myself the goal of burning at least 300 calories, which takes roughly an hour/an hour and a half. So I will let you guys know my progress, hopefully by next week, how I've been doing with that. But yeah, now that that's all out of the way, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so recently my skin has just been breaking out, and I just wondered what the hell is going on, and I realised it's because I stopped using my favourite skincare products just because I wanted to explore the market, but it didn't really work out, and my skin just looks so bad right now. You might not be able to see it because of my makeup, but it is there. So I decided to go back to these, and I decided that I would also share them with you guys because I just think they are so good. So here they are. This is the Young Kit by Natio. I don't know how you say it. Natio. I have no idea, but sounds kind of Italian, but I'm not sure. But this is them. You get 3 in this kit, which I think is really cute, how they give you this bag, so you can keep them together. It's good for traveling. Just put it in your suitcase or wherever. But yeah, I just think it's just such a nice kit overall. Anyway, I'm going to go into further depth about what is in the kit, so I'll just show you the products individually. And by the way, if you were wondering, this whole kit costed £16, which I think 16 or 18, I'm not sure, but I'll put the link in the description. I think it's from Feel Unique or Look Fantastic, but literally £16 is not bad for this kit, you guys. You're getting 3 products and it is just so worth it. So the first product is the face wash or / face gel wash. You literally just wet your face, apply it all over your face, rub it in, and then just wash it off again. The second product in the kit is the toner. You just apply 2 or 3 drops on a cotton pad and then just wipe it all over your face. And last of all, you have the moisturizer. All you have to do is apply this after the toner. You don't need to use a lot, literally just a small squeeze, because this stuff spreads like Nutella. Nutella. So there you go guys, those are the 3 items in that kit, and I literally use these every day and every night, so twice a day. Just to let you know, I did also buy this face scrub separately. Unfortunately it doesn't come in the kit. It was £8. So if you think about it, if this is £8, and let's say roughly each other product is £8, technically that other kit is giving you 3 for 2. So I think that is really good value for money, you guys. I would definitely recommend also getting the face scrub, you guys, because it just exfoliates your face, it's good for your skin, and let's be real, who wants to have dry, crusty skin?
Ain't nobody got time for that!
Another product that I also wanted to share with you guys is this Blue Plasma Treatment by Perricone MD. This is literally my holy grail. This is what it looks like outside of the box. As you can see, it's blue. But this is literally amazing. Let me just put the box down. Just a bit of a disclaimer though, I think this is made with salmon fish eggs or salmon pigment or something like that, but if you are eco-friendly you might not want to get this. So you know how salmons are all vibrant and really bright in colour? This is exactly what it does to your skin. I feel like when I don't use it, my skin just looks so like dull in colour, like there's no brightness to it or anything. But then as soon as I use this, my face literally just looks like it's glowing. It just looks so vibrant, like just not vibrant, but you know, like bright. Yeah, I can't live without it. And it's meant to lighten scarring as well, and I kid you not, it actually works. The only disadvantage to this product is that it is a little bit pricey. I think it's £25 for a bottle, which for some can seem like quite a lot just for this bottle, but I get 2 for £40 off, I think it's Feel Unique or Look Fantastic. They always have deals on there, so definitely check it out. I'll put the link in the description. I would definitely recommend it, especially if you have quite a lot of scarring that you want to get rid of. If you just feel like your skin looks so dull and has like no colour or brightness to it, this will definitely brighten up your face and brighten up your day. Okay, maybe not brighten up your day, that was a bit commercial. I don't know if I should like show you how to use the products. You know what? Let's do it. So first I removed all my jewellery and I put on this red headband to push my hair out of the way. I might look a little bit silly, but I think red's my colour. What do you think? So first I'm going to grab this damp face cloth and use it to wet my face. Normally I would just splash my face in front of the sink, but since I don't have a sink in my bedroom, I'm just using this for the purpose of the video. Once my face is wet, I'm going to grab the face wash. You don't need a lot of this, just a small squeeze. I don't know if you can see this, but that's literally all you need. I'm going to rub it into my hands and then gently apply it all over my face, including under the eyes and under my chin as well. As for the face scrub, you only need to use this twice a week, and when you do, you don't need to use the face wash as well. Once that's all on, I'm just going to go back in with the damp cloth and make sure that I remove all the gel off of my face. Now that my face is wet and all the product is gone, I'm just going to go in with this face towel and gently dab it all over my face, making sure that I dry it properly. Next, I'm going to grab the toner and a cotton pad. You only need a few drops of this and then you just rub it all over your face. You might feel it sting a bit, especially on scarring, but that's just how you know that it's working. Plus, it has alcohol in it, so it makes sense for it to do that. Now I'm going to do exactly the same with the blue plasma. You literally only need a few drops of this because again, it literally spreads so well, it goes a long way, and it's really hard to waste. Like I said, this mainly lightens scarring and I really do feel like it works. It might not make your scars fully go away depending how severe they are, but it definitely will lighten them. And it also just brightens up your face overall. Lastly, I'm going to grab the face moisturizer. You just need a small squeeze. This is literally all you need. I'm just going to rub it into my hands and then gently apply it all over my face, making sure that I rub it in properly. Right, so once that's all done, that's it guys, we're finished. Pretty easy, right? So this is where you realise that my foundation does not match my skin colour, but I paid for it, so I'm gonna use it. One disclaimer that I have for you guys is that I have oily skin, so I'm not sure how this will work for someone that has dry skin. Please do read about them first before you buy them, because I don't want you to end up buying products and they don't turn out good for you. But I think for oily skin they'll definitely be good, at least they work for me anyway. Everyone's skin is different, so please don't be disappointed if you buy them and they don't really work out for you. And please don't hold me to blame. So overall, I think these are really amazing products, you guys, and I just wanted to share them with you because if you're out there looking for the next best thing or something new to try, I would definitely recommend them. But yeah, please do read about them first. The descriptions will be down below, and if you did like this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop me a comment, subscribe, and please do share so that if you have any friends out there looking for products or who are in desperate need, you can share it and maybe, you know, they'll find it helpful too. But yeah, that is it from me, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching. It really means a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Mwah!